Hi everyone and welcome. In this short unpacking video I'll be trying to unpack this Xiaomi Mi Powerbank 2S. I don't know what is 2S, I will probably Google it out later a bit, but this is the latest iteration of Xiaomi powerbanks. Should be nice, it should be aluminium, I guess it's solid aluminium, so let's see. Well, it's not the easiest part doing this by one arm, but we can do it. So, okay, we have those traditional warnings: caution, lithium-ion batteries. Okay, and we're almost done. Yeah, I know it's how it looks like. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have initial packing, so we have some kind of manual, I guess. Yes, this is authentic. Yep. But besides that, I have no idea what is it for. So, let's see what else we have. So, we do have this charging cable, which is nice. Oh, it's flat. Nice. USB, it's not USB-C, so... Well, more or less it's useless, since it's old standard, so it's not that useful, but I guess it's just used for charging in this case. So we have nice battery pack, solid feel. Okay, what do we have here? Yeah, it's not USB-C. I don't know why I thought about it, but I was expecting to see a USB-C port, but I guess it's okay also. Well, it does have nice touches. Mi.com. And it came half full, so it's okay. So, yeah, nice battery pack. I guess that's it.